Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make yourself sound like an old radio voice in Audacity. So, first thing is, of course, record a voice. And after that, just simply tap on your keyboard, Control A to select all. Now, here, go for the effect. And after that, go for the EQ and filters. And now, go for the filter curve EQ. And from here, go for the presets and settings and go for the factory presets. And now from here, you should be able to have this AM radio. Now from here, you could just simply preview it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And now, once you are satisfied, you can just simply click on apply. And guys, remember that you could adjust this and you could just simply have a preview of your sound on how this would look. And there you
Hey
go.
guys, welcome
I hope
back.
this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.